So we are done with the communicable and non-communicable diseases. We have dealt with those topics in depth, and now what we'll deal is we should have what steps we can take to prevent these diseases. Okay, so for the prevention of those diseases, we can take the steps accordingly. Suppose if there are deficiency diseases, we should take proper diet, balanced diet rich in all nutrients. We should if there are diseases due to bacteria, fungi, and so we should take proper care of our personal hygiene. Then healthy habits should be there. Public hygiene should also be maintained to avoid the spread of such diseases. So these all are very easy topics, and we have covered these in earlier chapters also. Here I will jump to this topic, immunization and vaccination. So before this, I will take an example to help you out understand in this. Suppose there is a virus. Suppose we take, okay, like I am taking coronavirus now, the very recent topic now. So this is coronavirus. Okay, the condition now is that we have not got any vaccine to prevent us from the symptoms of this coronavirus or to prevent us from COVID-19 disease. So our body is not having the immunity to fight coronavirus. Our body is not having the immunity to fight this coronavirus. So the first term here is immunity. Immunity, in the book we can read it out. It is the ability of the body to kill pathogens and resist a disease. So are we immune to coronavirus or COVID-19 disease? No, because we don't have the ability in our body to kill those coronavirus, and we cannot resist against this COVID-19 disease. So we are not immune. We are not immune enough against this COVID-19 disease. So immunity you have understood. Then next is vaccination and immunization. These days in news you might have heard there are many trials, many labs and all are busy preparing the vaccine for coronavirus. Now what is vaccine? Okay, the next term. First term was immunity, second term is vaccine. So what basically vaccine is? See, vaccine is a dose. It is a small dose which may contain living but inactivated disease causing organisms. It may contain living but inactivated disease causing organisms, or it can contain dead organisms. It can contain living and mildly active organisms, or it can contain the toxins from bacteria. Toxins is something poisonous, poison type from bacteria. See what will happen, like what we are taking is, in the case of COVID-19 disease, you all might have heard this or you have understood this till now. COVID-19 is the disease, and the virus which is causing this disease is coronavirus. So this is the virus and this is the disease. So if we want to be prevented from this disease, we can undergo for vaccination program. Okay, in that vaccination program, a vaccine is being introduced in our body. So what that vaccine is, the proper organism which is causing us the disease, like in case of COVID-19, कोरोना वायरस से ही हमें डिजीज़ हो रहा है. इसी वायरस को हम या तो लीविंग या इनएक्टिवेटेड फॉर्म में लें, या तो डेड फॉर्म में लें, लीविंग या माइल्डली एक्टिव फॉर्म में लें. तो इन तीनों में से किसी भी फॉर्म में लेके हम उसको बॉडी में इंजेक्ट करें, प्रॉपर उसका डोज बना के बॉडी में इंजेक्ट करें, फिर हमारी बॉडी क्या करती है, उस इन सारे मतलब इस इनएक्टिवेटेड या डेड या लिविंग माइल्डली एक्टिव ऑर्गेनिज्म के खिलाफ हमारी बॉडी में एंटीबॉडी बनाती है. सो आवर बॉडी विल स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग एंटीबॉडी. फिर दिस एंटीबॉडी विल फाइट अगेंस्ट what? It will fight against the virus in future. क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी में एंटीबॉडीज़ बन गई तो वी कैन फाइट अगेंस्ट दिस वायरस इन फ्यूचर.